So Illumina, in short,
just 10 gene therapies have been approved, but 712 clinical trials are underway.
Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. Genomic research is defined by the World Health Organization as the study of genes and their functions, as well as associated methods. Some people confuse genomics with genetics. The primary distinction is that genetics is concerned by a single gene, whereas genomics is concerned with all genes and their interactions. Companies in the genomics industry must devote a large percentage of their income to research and development, which can be costly. Here are 6 genomic stocks you can buy worth 10 times the growth. Number 6, PDC Therapeutics Inc.
With a very diversified product pipeline and of therapeutic areas.
The firm develops orally given medicines for genetic disorders, cancer, and infectious illnesses, as well as biopharmaceutical products. The firm earned over $117.9 million in revenue in the third quarter of 2019. Centogene NV has announced an expanded collaboration with the firm to assist in identifying patients with aromatic L-amino acid decarboxylase deficiency. The businesses will collaborate to deliver genetic testing and 3-methyl-dopa biomarker analytics. The agreement, according to Centogene's Senior Vice President of Business Development, will assist in expanding the geographic reach of the no-cost test. PDCT was described as the top 10 healthcare stocks to invest in. Number 5, Illumina.
In this video, why I think it should be a good stock to own in your portfolio, especially as it is a disruptive stock.
Illumina is a company that sells gene sequencing and array technology. It focuses on prenatal diagnostics, rare illnesses, cancer, population genomics, and consumer genomics, and is a global leader in the increasing market for gene sequencing technology. The fact that Illumina has over 12,000 systems deployed in hospitals, research laboratories, and medical institutions is a significant advantage. Although this equipment is costly and has per-use expenses, the customer's investment in Illumina technology makes moving to another platform less likely. This installed base offers Illumina room to expand as genome sequencing becomes more popular. Since then, the company's revenue has increased at a compound annual rate of around 32%. Illumina has also shown that it can profit from its position, producing more than $300 million in free cash flow every year since 2015. Number 4, Myriad Genetics.
The things we've been looking at are what we call lower studies.
Myriad Genetics is a company that sells customized medical products. Myriad has a strong cancer diagnostic business with a reputation for precision and a vast database of variations that lets the company keep premium pricing. Myriad may have an even bigger opportunity in assisting patients in finding the best effective antidepressant drug. While cancer diagnostics is a $6 million business with 1.8 million patients, antidepressants are a 2.5 times larger market with about 7 million people. Insurers have approved payment for Myriad's GeneSight customized genetic testing, citing project savings of roughly $4,200 for those who use the tests. It's a significant step in diversifying the company's product portfolio. Myriad's revenues and profitability have been flat to slightly negative since 2016. The stock, on the other hand, is primed for future gains as the company's product diversification and reimbursement coverage increase. Number 3, Agilent Technologies.
And Applied Markets Group, Sam Raha, President of Agilent's Diagnostics and Genomics Group.
Agilent Technologies is yet another company that isn't completely focused on genomics. In actuality, it's a large, sophisticated corporation that operates in several industries, including diagnostics, pharmaceuticals, academic government, food, energy, water, and the environment. The lab services and laboratory equipment businesses combined account for roughly 83% of the company's revenue. The Diseases and Genomics Group, or DDG, or DGG, is a part of Agilent's fastest growing end markets, which are increasing at a rate of 8% on average compared to 9% for DGG. Agilent has been able to increase its genomics business at an annual rate of 8% on average since 2016, while boosting its operating margins from 9% to 13% as of the fiscal year ending September 31st. Agilent has a track record of amazing leveraging mergers and acquisitions to boost different aspects of its company, including genomics. In March 2019, Agilent purchased LaserGen for $14 billion, 2 years after acquiring a 50% interest in the firm. Number 2, Genomic Health.
They're following. So over the next few months, I'm going to dig deep into those 15 disruptive trends, show you that research, help you analyze it, and then reveal the top stocks to buy in each.
Genomic Health is a specialist in genetic testing, as its name indicates. After years of spending substantially on its goods, sales force, and worldwide growth, the firm attained profitability in 2016. The foundation for development is strong as the firm uses the infrastructure it has created and the general market for genetic testing increases. Genomic Health is only oriented toward the oncology industry. According to the company's investor presentation, their tests, which cost between $4,100 and $4,600, certainly identify who does and who doesn't benefit from chemotherapy. This saved the UK healthcare system $5 billion in 2016. This saved the UK healthcare system $5 billion in 2017, which drives insurance coverage prices for the company's best-selling Oncotype DP suite of lungs, colon, and ovarian cancer tests. Oncotype testing is covered for around 99% of insured lives. The opportunity may be considerably greater on a global scale. According to industry estimates, there are about 240 million covered lives in its current markets, which include Russia, the United Kingdom, Germany, and Madrid. Increased insurance coverage and entry into other countries such as Japan, Italy, and Germany will bring the total to 1.5 billion insured lives by 2020 and beyond. For the last 5 years, revenue has increased slowly from $278 million in 2014 to $381 million in 2018. Prosperity has reached on an adjusted basis in 2018, but much better, the firm has been profitable without accounting gimmicks throughout the first 9 months of 2019. Genome Health may be able to make use of all the opportunities presented by genomics in the coming year. Number 1, Blueprint Medicines Corp. In the ranking of the top genetic stocks to buy right now, BPMC or Blueprint Medicines Corp is ranked number 8. Blueprint Medicines Corp is a biopharmaceutical company specializing in the administration and development of medicines for individuals suffering from illnesses caused by aberrant kinase activity that are genetically determined. The firm had $786.1 million in sales in the third quarter of 2019. Peter Banish's Cathie Capital, which had approximately $299 million invested in the company at the end of November, was the top hedge fund holding. The result of the company's current momentum study, a worldwide placebo-controlled clinical trial of a next-generation therapy for individuals with motor neuron disease, were recently released. Blueprint's president and chief executive officer Ross Ingram stated sales increased by 36% at real and constant currency rates to $443.88 million in the third quarter of 2019 compared to $372.7 million in the same period of 2018. And with that out of the way, do let us know down in the comments below which of these genomic stocks you're looking to buy for yourselves going forward. And if you enjoyed this video and wish to see more like it in the future, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon. And as always, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!